2024 Guide to Eco-Friendly, Affordable NFT Minting on Enjin JumpNet. Must-have creators solution. Welcome to our 2024 Guide to Eco-Friendly, Affordable NFT Minting on Enjin JumpNet. Explore how this platform revolutionizes digital asset creation with an emphasis on sustainability and affordability. In the evolving NFT arena, creators often face challenges of high costs and environmental impact. Enjin JumpNet offers a transformative solution, enabling artists to mint NFTs without breaking the bank or harming the planet. JumpNet stands out by providing a cost-effective, eco-friendly blockchain network. It empowers creators to access new revenue streams and connect with audiences globally, reshaping how digital assets are made and distributed. The rise of NFTs has unlocked new opportunities for digital ownership. With blockchain technology, creators gain control over their work, selling globally and earning royalties, which is reshaping the art and collectibles market. NFT markets have witnessed rapid growth, highlighted by notable sales like Beeple's $69 million artwork. This growth signifies the increasing value and potential of NFTs to redefine digital assets for creators and collectors. Creating NFTs involves several steps: designing the digital asset, choosing the blockchain, and setting up a crypto wallet. This guide helps beginners navigate the process to mint and launch their NFT collections affordably. Enjin JumpNet offers a streamlined, eco-conscious way to mint NFTs. Its infrastructure reduces environmental impact while providing a cheaper alternative to traditional minting, making NFT creation accessible to a broader audience. The Enjin ecosystem features tools like the Enjin Wallet and Marketplace, facilitating seamless NFT management. JumpNet's quick, fee-free transactions enhance the creation and trading experience, fostering a vibrant digital community. For efficient NFT creation, Enjin provides mutations to manage tokens and attributes. This flexibility empowers creators to craft unique collections, making Enjin an optimal choice for sustainable, cost-effective NFT production. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.